Alright, we're here in the garage and we are going through some of the products that have been laying around, and we're doing a little detail to this PT Cruiser.
The Bruiser.
The Bruiser. So this first one that we stumbled on was the glass scrub, and it's by Glass Science. It's a little gritty paste. Put in a little bit of rub on the glass and buff it dry, and it's looking like we have some good results. Water spots are invisible, and it looks like the surface of the glass is just, everything's just falling right off of it. The dust just rolling right off. On the other side, we're gonna just do regular glass cleaner to see if the glass cleaner does the same thing, to the same effect as the glass scrub. So on the other side, we're just gonna use the regular glass cleaner. Alright, I'm just coming back here to see how far Ed got, and
I'm just on the second window right now.
Why don't you tell us?
But you can see the water spots on this third window here, where they're all pretty pronounced. And then you move to the other one that I just got done doing. You know, there was heavy water spotting everywhere. You can't see any of it. It's pretty good. It's a pretty good product so far. So we'll jump on the other side and see what the other side, just what the plain window glass cleaner does for us.
Let me see that last window one more time.
Yep. I still haven't cleaned that one.
This one's the dirty one. See it from the inside. Dirty. And then this one is looking pretty clean here, but we'll show the final on this one here because I can really see the dirt. So after you're done with this one, Ed, just come and get me real quick. Go ahead.
Alright, Ed the Tech coming back at you with Nandit. So on this side here of the PT Cruiser, we're going to use old-fashioned newspaper, window cleaner, and some elbow grease.
Just regular spray.
We've all been taught this is the best three things to use on windows: cleaner, newspaper, and elbow grease. So we're going to try it out and see what the difference is between the other scrub and just this.
I don't know if we can see the... Nope, can't see it. Maybe from this angle. Oh yeah, right now. Right here you can see it. So, alright, well, give it a shot. Yeah, he's really getting in there too. Now, are you making that mean face on purpose, or?
Gotta get mean with it. That way it knows I'm serious. Okay, I'm gonna tell you like this so far with this window cleaner and the newspaper, you're only having to do one step. Spray it on, wipe it off, and it dries. With the other stuff, you wipe it on, you have to wait till it hazes up, then you wipe it down. Just an additional step.
Alright, but we're going to see the final. Is it actually cleaning the glass?
Not there yet. I'm just telling you what I've noticed so far.
Alright, we'll check it here in a minute.
Back to my initial comment of it being a little quicker. Yes, it is a little quicker. But you can still see a little bit of the water spotting that you can't see with the scrub. So the additional step is well worth using the scrub instead of just the regular newspaper, window cleaner, and elbow grease. It doesn't look bad, but it doesn't look as good as the other side. You can still see water spots where you didn't on the other side.
So the glass cleaner just basically removes the dirt, but not the grime.
Well, it removes the grime as well, but it doesn't remove the hard water.
What's it called again?
This was Spray Away World's Best Glass Cleaner with our good old newspaper.
And the other one was the glass scrub,
yeah,
from Glass Science.
The scrub, hands down, is going to do a better job because it removes the water spots, the hard water spots and stuff.
So water spots.
So I'm liking the other
glass
stuff.
scrub. Clean glass. Just plain.
But for glass that doesn't have any spots, this is the way to go because it's quicker. I'll say that.
All right, we're on.
All right, Ed the Tech that does the checks over here at Nandit's. So for the final review of the two products, I have the Glass Science Glass Scrub, and I got the Spray Away World's Best Glass Cleaner with just newspaper. So, like I said earlier, the spray, the advantage of that one, you only have to apply it once, wipe it down, it dries streak free, it's really nice. Other than that, it leaves water spots, it doesn't cut down to those spots. Where the glass scrub, because it's a micro scrub, rubbing compound, that stuff cuts through those water spots, those hard water spots, to get them off the glass. So for that reason, I'm going to say the glass scrub is superior to just regular newspaper and glass cleaner. But for those hard to clean pieces of glass, get yourself some glass scrub, or using this glass scrub here to get all that hard water, all the hard stains, hard bug, hard mud off of your glass.
You just like saying hard. That's for the cut. That's for the bloopers.
I do make it hard, don't I?
After that window cleaning, we found out that the glass scrub does headlight lenses also. And this is a after view of the headlight, and it's a lot cleaner than it started. And Ed is working on the second one right now, which is showing really good results too, and not even using a machine. He's just doing it by his hand, and we're getting definite results here with this glass scrub.
Yeah, they were really hazy. The other one was a used one. This car's been in a wreck, front end damage. I replaced it with the used headlight, and it was really yellow. But this side was just a little hazy. Because of the hard water stains and stuff, and this is what I got now. Yeah, that looks really good.
Looks clean.
Oh yeah, that looks really good.